Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. So today I am presenting to you how to place any kind of order, whether it is buying order or selling order, into our Zerodha account. So here you can see that it is our home screen. So if we want to buy any stock, like if we have clicked to Reliance, this is in our watch list. So here you can see that if I place my mouse cursor, then automatically the buy option is there. If I move to S, then sell option. Okay, so first we click on B, then buy. So here you can see that if you want to buy in NSE, then it is automatically there NSE. If you want to buy in BSE, then you have to click on BSE. Then this particular stock will be buy from Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. So we will click here as NSE, National Stock Exchange. Okay, so here you can find three tabs basically. One is regular, one is cover, one is AMO. So one by one we will cover all these three. So first, starting with regular. In regular we can see that intraday also known as MIS, margin intraday square off. Okay, so when we click on intraday, then this particular stock or whether any stock will be buy on intraday basis. You can also see that the margin required is 334 rupees, whereas the stock price is 2087.802. So this is basically the margin money which you get while doing the intraday trade. So while doing the intraday trade, you have to square off your position before 320 in Zerodha. If you do not do before 320, then it automatically gets square off by Zerodha itself, and they may charge some extra amount of money from you. Okay, so we will not talk about intraday here, we will only talk about long term. So when we click on long term, and here you can see market. So when click on market, then whatever the price of the particular stock is there in the market, it will buy at that particular price only. So when we click on market, then whatever the price would be there, simply click on buy, then this stock will be buy, and whatever the quantity, if you want to have it 1 or 10 or 100 or 1000, whatever the quantity, so that will buy on market price. So if you want to buy or at some discounted price, then you have to put the limit order. Suppose for that you have to put, suppose 2080 is the price at which you want to buy this particular stock, so you have to place the limit order. Okay, so this is like that. And if you already buy this particular share and this is in your holding and you want to sell, so here you can toggle it, buy sell. Okay, the red one is sell. So here you can place the stop loss over here at that particular price. Whenever it comes, then it automatically gets square off from your account. So like 2087.8 is the current price, and whenever it will come 2050, so it will get square off from your account, it gets sold out. So this is the stop loss. Okay, so this is the regular order. When we click on cover, then the cover order is only for the intraday trades. So in intraday trades, you have to square off your position within the day. Okay, so here the option is there, like if you want to buy at market price, you can buy with market price. If you want to place the limit order, you can place with the limit order with some discounted price of that particular stock. Here the additional thing as compared to regular order, like you have the option of putting the stop loss along with the buying price. So in one order you will place your buying price as well as your selling price. So here your order get executed with buying as well as selling price. Okay, like the third one is AMO. AMO is after market order. Okay, suppose now the market is closed, you want to place the order, you are a you are having any task tomorrow morning, or you are doing job, so it is very difficult to place a order while market is open. So it is very good to place a AMO order. So what you can do, place an AMO order after the market hours, and whatever the quantity you require, you can change the quantity. Whatever the price, you can put it the limit price, or you can place the order with market rate. Okay, whatever the market price was there, the opening price, so you simply with the market price, the 10 stock or 100 stock of Reliance get bought tomorrow. Okay, for that you have to maintain this amount into your demat account. Okay, so that's it from my side for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any query, do let me know in the comments. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you so much.